Okay, so I'm trying to fix this printer, but I want to record it. That way I know where all the screws go, and if anything happens, that way I have a documentation. So all that's I've done is taken out these two screws, and they're right there. I took a little screw out of right here. All right, guys, I did not fix that printer. Like, it worked for a second, but then it stopped. So I don't really know if I just made things worse, because I did pry a bunch of plastic pieces just off because it was too hard to figure it out regularly and I couldn't find something to do. So yeah, overall, I think I did a pretty good job. I spent 4 hours repairing a printer that didn't go well. But like, now I know what I'm doing, so next time I'll be good.